Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your difficulty settings on the Detroit Become Human game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Detroit Become Human on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off. However, if you wish to reduce or increase the difficulty, then go into Options. From here you can find the Difficulty tab. When you click on this, your current difficulty will be shown at the top, so you can simply switch between the two that are available. When you choose Experienced, the difficulty level will be increased slightly. So choose your desired level of difficulty, and then you can simply press the Escape button to go back. When you are asked if you would like to keep your changes, click on the Yes button, and now your difficulty for your current game has been changed. If you click on Continue, your chosen difficulty level will be applied to your entire gameplay. You can switch this at any point of time by going back into the difficulty options from the main menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your difficulty settings on the Detroit Become Human game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.